Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to move search icon to the left on mobile in Shopify. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you want to improve your Shopify store mobile user experience, in this quick tutorials, I'll show you how to move the search icon to the left on mobile view in Shopify theme. So, let's get started. Before we start jumping on the main part of this tutorials, we have to know why move the search icon to the left. Improve accessibility for users holding phone with their right hand, make the search function more noticeable, enhance overall mobile navigation, gives your store a clean and more user-friendly look. Whether you are using DOM theme, Devout theme or any other Shopify theme, this simple CSS will help make your site more user-friendly and visually balanced on mobile device. And the good things is that you don't have to write any single code, because I have shared the code snippet in here. You see, you can just copy the code from here and add it on your Shopify online store. So jump into the main topics of this video. Here is my Shopify online store, and you can see that we are right now on the desktop version, and I'm going to check it with mobile. That's why I click on the inspect, and you see right now on the mobile version, and here is the search icon on the right side. We wanted to move it on the left side. Okay, to do this, first we have to go to our Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then click online store, then click on this three dot icon, edit code, and now search base.css file, base, and open base.css file, and simply copy the code snippet. Looks very carefully, copy and paste it on the bottom of this file, paste, and click on the save. Okay, assert save. Now reload. We're going to reload. Wow, it's working. You see, it's working, and our icon has been moved on the left side. So I hope you understand how we have moved the search icon from right side to left side in the mobile version in Shopify DOM theme. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.